Hello, welcome back to our channel, The Writer Photographer. In this video, we will learn how to edit black presets using Lightroom Mobile app. Watch full video, if you want to download this presets. Presets are in zip file, password will show as card link during video. Here's some before-after photos, which are edited using this presets. So, let's start editing. Go to light setting. Increase exposure to +0.50. Increase contrast to +60. Increase highlights to +20. Decrease shadows to -10. Decrease whites to -100. Increase blacks to +40. Let's do some curve settings as per photo lights and shadows. Go to temperature settings. Decrease vibrance to -25. Decrease saturation to -30. Go to red color settings. Increase saturation to +16. Decrease luminance to -10. Go to orange color setting. Decrease hue to -10. Increase saturation to +10. Go to yellow color setting. Decrease hue to -100. Decrease saturation to -100. Go to green color setting. Decrease luminance to -100. Go to light blue setting. Increase hue to +100. Decrease saturation to -100. Go to dark blue color setting. Decrease saturation to -100. Go to violet color setting. Decrease saturation to -100. Go to maroon color setting. Decrease saturation to -100. Go to effect settings. Increase texture to +10. Increase clarity to +20. Increase dehaz to +40. Decrease vignette to -15. Go to details setting. Increase sharpening to +30. Increase noise reduction to +25. Increase details to +60. Increase color noise reduction to +34. Go to optics settings. Turn on remove chromatic aberration. So that's it, your photo is ready. So let's copy this presets and paste to other photos. Click on Options and then click on Copy Presets. Then click on OK button. Click on Options and then click on Paste Settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe channel.